Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another brand new testnet airdrop, and the project is called Hotstuff. So they say built for performance, tuned for traders. Basically, this platform is similar to Hyperliquid, which provided good airdrops earlier. Their aim is to build a decentralized crypto trading platform, but there's something special here. The special thing is that the block time here is 75 milliseconds. Finality is achieved in 150 milliseconds. And TPS is more than 200,000 transactions per second. If you want more information about them, you can visit their website. As for the funding, they already raised $500,000, and if you check their investors, you'll see lots of names such as Delphi Ventures, MapleBlock Capital, and many more. If you visit their X profile, you'll notice they have already gained 34k followers, and they are active there to build a strong community, which is another positive sign. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel, so don't miss this. To join this project, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description. First, you need to come to this page. As you can see, this page is completely a trading page where everything is live. So first, you need to connect your wallet. For that, click here on connect. Then you can sign up using your email, or you can use any EVM wallet. In my case, I'll select MetaMask. Then click on connect. After that, the referral code is automatically applied, so click on join with code. And you are ready to go. Next, you need to claim testnet tokens, so click here on faucet. And you will see two types, USDC and USDT. You can claim both. So right now I am selecting USDC and clicking on claim. And done. Same thing, take as much as possible, but remember you can only claim 10 times a day, and again tomorrow you can claim more. So now as we have testnet tokens, we are ready to trade. You can choose limit or market orders, leverage and all that, just like any trading platform. To start trading, click on enable trading, then click on confirm. Then again confirm the request on MetaMask. And done. Next you can trade. Let's select leverage. And then here choose the amount. For example, let's put 1000. You can long or short whatever you want, so I'll select long. And done. You'll see other trading pairs. Right now professional mode has very few pairs because this is new. There are not many pairs yet. You can trade with Ethereum, and also you can trade with Solana. So let's make a trade with Solana. Put the amount 100 and let's short it. And done. So this is just an example. You can do your own research and then practice here to gain some profits. Also here at the bottom you will see your total balance, positions, orders, etc. Next, click here on the wallet section. Here you can deposit testnet tokens. For that you need to click on deposit. Then put your amount, and that's it. Next you can view your portfolio here. So here you can check your balance, trading volume, etc. Next, here you have the referral option. You can create your code by clicking here, but remember, before creating your link you must reach your trading volume to 10,000, which is very easy. After that, to create your link, click here on create referral link. Then in this box put your name and click on create referral code. And done. Now click here on share code, and here you will find your link which you can share with your friends. Next, let's go to the expedition section. Here you can achieve different milestones, and this is very important for being eligible for a future airdrop. Also, don't forget to claim your daily streak by clicking here. I already completed this, so make sure to collect it every day. So here in the more option you can explore if you want. Basically the main thing you need to do is trade daily, experiment with different pairs and amounts, and collect the faucet. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, just ask in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.